Forensic is scientific method used to investigate the crime. In our cases, there is burn corpse was being found in empty room at a student college. During the incident, different strain of hair is found by CSI at the crime scene. As it might be different to one another, further analysis were being conducted to classify the samples.
SEM, Scanning Electron Microscopy. The principle of SEM, it works by detecting reflected or knocked off electrons and generating an image of samples. It can be considered an excellent approach for analyzing organic and inorganic materials from nanoscale to micrometer scale. SEM can work at high magnification, reaches to 1 million to produce extremely exact picture of materials without light waves. The bombardment with the electrons on the specimen surface will produce X-ray emission and enable to characterization of elements present in the material under investigation.
There are 4 samples of hair submitted that we have to analyze. This hair will be identified by using presumptive analysis, which was conducted to narrow down the possibilities of suspect and help in deciding what steps to take next. The color, length, and structure of hairs are observed in this physical properties analysis. However, this analysis cannot confirm the detail of the type of hair and will be proceed with complementary analysis by using SEM to conclusively identify the owner of the samples. From physical observation, sample 1 is a short straight hair with light brown color. The next sample is a short black straight hair with burn and crinkle at the end of the hair. The next 2 samples both are black and straight and fine looking hair. The only difference is the length. There are possibilities that 3 to 4 individuals are involved during the scene. Detailed observation using SEM are required to prove the hypothesis.
For the SEM observation, burnt hair, there is no cuticles and medulla can be seen and porous looking at the cortex. Next is brown hair. There are very thin layer of cuticles and have tiny tears all along the hair shaft. For the first sample of black hair, here is shredding of cuticles and uneven cut shape at the end. However, for the next black sample, there is accumulation of cuticle at the end of the hair and the hair bulk was present. The direction of hair is like a hook.
In conclusion, there may be 4 people who involved in this investigation. The number of suspects that caused the crime scene may be 2 or 3 people due to the analysis that have been conducted. For our further recommendation, DNA testing analysis needs to be tested for nuclear DNA. If there is no tissue attached, the alternative is to look for mitochondrial DNA within the hair shaft itself. The suggested microscope that should be used is scanning transmission electron microscope or polarizing microscope. That's all. Thank you.